Hi everyone, welcome to another session on government schemes by Civil 360 IAS Academy. Today we are going to deal with a scheme called BHASHINI. BHASHINI is nothing but Bhasha Interface for India. Means for Indian Bhashas or for Indian languages, we are having an interface or a platform. We are having a platform for Indian languages. That is what BHASHINI means. It is a scheme that is introduced in 2022 by Ministry of Electronics Information Technology. That means MeitY. MeitY introduced a BHASHINI scheme in 2022. And this scheme comes under National Language Translation Mission. National Language Translation Mission is nothing but it aims to disseminate knowledge in Indian languages. Knowledge in Indian language means it translates the books or the materials of higher education into various local Indian languages. That is what National Language Translation Mission means. This BHASHINI scheme comes under National Language Translation Mission. And this BHASHINI platform is implemented by Digital India BHASHINI Division. This Digital India BHASHINI Division comes under Digital India Corporation. And this Digital India Corporation is a not-for-profit organization under MeitY. And this Digital India Corporation have a Digital India BHASHINI Division, which is the implementing agency of BHASHINI platform. Moving on to the objectives of the scheme, this BHASHINI platform aims to provide seamless access to digital services in Indian languages. Means a digital service platform that is getting translated to a local language, which will help to ease the access to that platform, right? So through this BHASHINI platform, we are converting these digital services into Indian languages using AI. By converting these services to the Indian languages, we can have inclusive communication and language technology innovations. And by translating the various content to this Indian languages, it will increase the Indian language usage on internet. So it will increase the Indian languages usage on internet by translating every contents, not just academic but every contents to this Indian languages. And the features of the scheme is there are more than 22 Indian language contents are available through this BHASHINI platform. And this platform will transfer text, speech and video to other languages. And this also helps in document translation and language detection. And it also has another feature called voice-based payment. What this voice-based payment means is, in collaboration with NPCI or National Payment Corporation, this BHASHINI platform enables voice-based payments. Means in your UPI app, when you give a voice command like send 500 rupees to XYZ, what happens is this payment will be done automatically through this UPI app. That is what is voice-based payment. Through conversations, we can use this payment apps and we can make payments. This digital payments will be made through conversations. And to make it through local languages, this NPCI has collaboration with BHASHINI. And there is another separate section called Bhasha in this BHASHINI platform, which helps to crowdsource. Means individual can contribute about their languages, about the conversion, about the translation into this BHASHINI platform through Bhashadan section. Also, this BHASHINI provides API or application programming interface to startups. That means with use of this BHASHINI platforms, these startups can translate the contents of the startup platforms and use them in chatbots to have conversation in this local languages. So they have collaboration with startups, they have collaboration with NPCIs so that the services are available in local Indian languages. And there are more than 22 Indian languages included in this. So once again, this is a scheme that is introduced in 2022 by MeitY, and this comes under National Language Translation Mission, and this is implemented by Digital India BHASHINI division of Digital India Corporation, and this Digital India Corporation is a non-for-profit organization under MeitY, and the objective is to provide seamless access to digital services in Indian languages. Main point is it provides inclusive communication. We can communicate in our own language. We can use this digital services in our own languages. I hope that the scheme is clear for you. Thank you.